So I used to record my class myself, yeah, but in this class you always initiate it. So thank you so much. You're so sweet, yeah.
And the time is your cat is very cute. It's your cat?
This is my hoodie actually.
Oh, no, 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 no. A black cat
Oh,
in
this
your
one.
wig.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Now this is my background. This is
Oh,
like
and
blue
oh, your
background.
background. I think it's your uh doll. Cat doll.
Oh no.
No, no, no. It's your
I have
background.
dolls with me right now, like this one. This is my doll.
Oh, I see. Are you at home?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I will go to campus after this class. So I
Mhm.
have like afternoon shift
Mhm,
in
mhm,
Monday.
mhm.
Sorry, it's Wednesday right now, right? Today's Wednesday.
Yes. This was Oke. Di kampus libur tanggal berapa ya, Miss?
If I'm not mistaken, yeah, there is no fixed announcement
Mhm,
regarding about that one. But if we rely on government, it should be next week has been free, right? But
mhm.
I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm not really sure whether next week, sorry, next meeting, we still need to conduct our class or we still need to have a class.
Sampai tanggal berapa berarti kira-kira?
I don't know. There is no fixed schedules. Yeah, but later on, I will tell you if the announcement has been out.
Oh, I see. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Di yang lainnya mana Bulita? Saya tak tahu punya ya Bulita ya.
There are only like three students in this room.
Iya, sepertinya yang lainnya sedang
Yeah, yeah. That's fine,
ketiduran.
that's fine. We can bid a little bit longer, perhaps until 10 past 5.
Aha, oke.
Mm-hmm. Let's wait a little bit longer, yeah, like
Kita
the
nggak
three
boleh.
minutes more.
Oh,
Where do you plan to spend your Lebaran, Bapak Ibu? Or do you plan it in Malang, or will you go back to your hometown? Because if I'm not mistaken, some of you came from another town, right? Ada yang dari Lamongan kemarin kalau nggak salah, ada yang dari mana ya? Bekasi?
hmm.
I don't know. Like, so what's your plan? Let's start from Bu Wahyu first.
I want to sleep in my home, in my in my pillow. Uh,
Okay.
I don't like to anywhere because it's very crowded and Lebaran di Indonesia itu
Right. Yep.
crowded.
You know the traffic might killing me because it's
Mhm.
really heavy. Yeah, the traffic is really heavy. So, you have decided to spend your Lebaran in Malang.
Yes,
Am I
in
right?
my house. Yes, I want to cook in the home. I want to sleep. I want to mager. I want to read the book. I want to read the novel.
Oh, that sound perfect though, to enjoy Lebaran's Day. Which one are you, Bu Wahyu? Do you enjoy meeting with a lot of peoples during Lebaran? Because in Lebaran there are a lot of guests, right, coming to our house. Ya, untuk salam-salaman, untuk
Mhm.
menyambung silaturahmi. So, do you enjoy meeting with a lot of peoples?
I enjoy, but little capek banget ya Allah, tiredness very
Yeah,
tired.
right. Yep.
Karena
Uh, are
saya
you
ini
are you an
sebenarnya
introvert by
tipe
the
orang
way?
yang apa ambivert ya mungkin ya
Oh,
kelihatannya
ambivert.
extrovert dari luar gitu kan.
Yep.
Tapi
Yeah,
ketika
yeah, yeah.
ketemu orang banyak itu kayak sosial energinya, baterai sosialnya itu langsung habis gitu.
Yeah, yeah. I know how it feels. Yeah, yeah. Actually, we are pretty similar
Mhm.
because in Lebaran, typically the one who will be exhausted earlier. Kayak orang-orang masih hype up nih gitu, tapi saya sudah, aduh kapan selesainya ya ini gitu, kapan malam udah lihat jam terus. So, okay, good luck then for your Lebaran Day, Bu Wahyu.
Yes,
Okay,
thank
let
you,
me move on
Miss.
to Pak. Ayubi, ya Pak Ayubi. So, how about you, Pak Ayubi? So, what is your plan for Lebaran? Will you go back to your hometown or do you sell in Malang?
I will go to Lamongan and Dampit
Dampit?
untuk
I'm so sorry. Where is
silaturahmi.
Dampit?
Dampit,
The part of East Java, the part of Malang,
Oh
Malang.
ya, oke oke
Malang.
ya ya.
Hmm. Oleh-olehnya,
Oke.
Pak.
Do you have someone special to meet, Mr. Pak Ayubi?
Calon istri, enak sih.
A future wife, ya. Okay, future wife. Oh. Yep, yep. Okay, so good luck then. What kind of transportation do you plan to take? Are you usually go your with your own motorcycle or do you take like train
Car.
or bus? Which one?
Car, Miss, mengendarai mobil.
Car. Oh,
Car.
okay. Oh, do you drive it yourself?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, okay. Good luck then. Because as what Bu Wahyu said, yeah, the traffic at Malang during Lebaran should be really heavy and it's might be put you in a crazy mood. So good luck for your trip. All right. How about Bulita? Okay, may I hear from Bulita?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so what is your plan for Lebaran, Ibu?
My plan is, Miss, mohon koreksinya ya kalau saya ngomongnya.
That's fine, that's fine. Yeah, just pick. Yeah,
I want me time with my family, my little family.
your little family. Where?
Uh, I want go to apa ya? Pantai, sea in the sea. Gimana ngomongnya, Miss?
Yeah, in the beach, in the beach.
I want go to in the beach
Mm-hmm.
with my son. Ya, gitulah, Miss.
Okay. Have you decided what is the name of
Kalau
the
kalau
beach
mudik
that you
bahasa
will
Inggrisnya
visit?
kalau mudik bahasa Inggrisnya apa, Miss?
It's like
Go back ya.
mudik, yeah. Mudik, yeah, or going back to your hometown. Yeah, there is no specific term for mudik. Mudik is Indonesian. That's Indonesian culture. Yeah, we couldn't find mudik in other countries, so there is no specific English word for mudik. You just say mudik or going back to your hometown. Okay, so which beach is it, Ibu? Di pantai mana?
Maybe her connection is unstable, Miss.
Oh ya, okay, Bulita, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so you said earlier you want to visit beach, right? So what is the name of the beach?
Because I bukan orang asli Malang,
Oh,
jadi
oke.
tidak tahu namanya, Miss.
Ya, ya, oke. Kalau nama pantainya apa biasanya? Yang mau dikunjungi itu nama pantainya apa?
Kurang tahu, yang penting
Oh,
mau ke
Tante.
pantai aja.
oke ya. There is no specific place ya. Ya, oke. There is no specific place that you want to visit. As long as it is beach, ada pemandangan yang bagus ya. So it's perfect fit for you.
My, my son, my son
Mhm.
apa sons, Miss?
Sun,
Son apa
sun,
sons pengucap?
sun.
Oh, my son want playing apa itu pasir itu? Main
Sen.
pasir
Sun,
pantai itu loh, Miss.
sun, sun.
Yes.
Oke, ya, ya. Oh, is this your son? Halo.
Yeah,
He
this
is
is my
her
son.
second son.
Number
Second
second son.
son.
Second
Wow.
son.
Oh my God. Okay. I'm not ready for this type of conversation. Yeah, but okay, okay. Yeah, have fun, Bu. Yeah. Okay, let me move on to Bu Dewi. Coba. Okay, Bu Dewi. So, can you tell me what is your plan to spend Lebaran Day?
Insya Allah. eh Mohon koreksinya, Miss.
Yeah, that's
Kalau
fine. Just go on.
going back to my mother's home, in Tuban with my son and daughters. Daughters.
Mhm. Oke,
Daughters.
oke.
Dua cewek dua ya, Bu.
Lah
Iya,
ya
oh.
daughter.
Oke. Oh, how long is it, Ibu? How long is it? Like how many days that you plan to spend in Tuban?
Three or four. Yes, Miss.
Yeah, 3 or 4 days, yeah.
Ya, lihat-lihat besok, Miss.
Oh, all right. How about the transportation? What kind of transportation that you are planning to take?
Bus.
Bus. Oh, okay.
But
Okay.
because
Mhm.
my wife
My
no
husband.
my
Sopo is
my husband wife lah suamiku.
Husband.
My
Ya, husband is suami, Ibu ya.
iya,
Your wife?
my
You have
husband
wife? Okay.
no
Mhm.
ikut ya apa ya?
flu,
Follow?
No ikut
flu, don't flu.
dan follow. Oh,
Hmm.
dan follow because apa ya, menunggu atau
Okay.
Waiting.
menemani my mertua.
Oh,
My mertua in home.
mother-in-law.
Okay, your mother-in-law ya,
Mother.
mother-in-law.
Oh,
Mhm.
mother-in-law. Iya,
Okay, okay.
mother-in-law.
I think this sounds like a really good plan ya, Ibu. So enjoy your Lebaran Day, Bu Dewi.
Amin. Yeah, thank you, Miss.
Okay, okay. Let me move on to Bu Amar. So what is your plan for Lebaran, Bu Amar?
Hi, Miss. I'm sorry for being late today. Okay, I will answer the question right now. Wait. If that my voice is clear, Miss,
Yes, crystal clear.
thank you, because I'm in the outdoor right now. So
Mm-hmm.
I have some plan for my for my for my apa, Miss?
For
Liburan
You
time.
can say your holiday, your Lebaran's
Okay,
day,
yeah.
your Idul Fitri day.
I have some plan. I want to go to another city like Probolinggo for attending wedding, my friend's wedding, and then I will
Mm-hmm.
going to the Madura because my family member having acara. What we call it?
Okay, having some event,
Wedding meeting.
conducting some event. Yeah, you can say
Yeah, some event
event.
in Madura, and then
Mm-hmm.
maybe I will go to the Tumpang. Tumpang is the little city in Kabupaten Malang
city.
to attending my family event also.
Okay. Right. So, oh my God, you have a really tight schedule, yeah, Ibu. Like your schedule is really tight. You have a lot of schedules to follow. So, yeah, just prepare yourself to have a very good stamina and good energy to meet with a lot of people, yeah. So, let's hope that that event do not drain your energy because you have a lot, right?
Of course, Miss.
It turns out
Okay, thank you
it
so much.
turns out I'm the only one who has plans to stay home for it.
Oh my God, that's my plan as well, Ibu, ya. But
Oh, me
luckily,
too.
some of
So
some
far
of us,
different with
ya,
me. I
but
love to
some of
meet with
us cannot
people.
do that. Jadi pengennya pengen gitu,
Yes,
tapi kadang emang nggak
I,
bisa gitu kan. Memang harus ini.
I,
Ini kalau
I,
saya nggak pulang, misal saya sepertinya akan langsung dicoret dari kakak, Ibu ya, karena tidak pernah pulang. Okay. Okay, let me hear Pak Nurali Hasan. Do you join with 2 devices, Pak Nurali Hasan? Tadi saya lihat joinnya pakai 2 akun, ya.
Yang tadi masih di jalan nih baru masuk.
Oh, alright. So, what is your plan, Bapak? Jadi plannya apa? Lebaran mau ngapain? What is your plan?
Dulu, Miss, saya tanyakan dulu, ngomongnya yang lain dulu.
Oh, oke. Ya, yang lain dulu. Oke, that's fine.
He's
Ya, oke.
preparing his answer about his holiday plans.
Oke, let me continue to Pak Faisal first. Coba, Pak Faisal, are you ready to speak?
Okay, thank
Oke.
you for
Mhm.
my occasion. Usually 1 day before or 2 days before Lebaran or Idul Fitri, we go to Situbondo to my parents. Usually like that. But because
Oke.
in this Idul Fitri, I have an event to give it sermon in Tajinan, about 1 hour from Malang. So I have to delay my event to join with my big family. Then maybe after giving sermon, then I go around in my neighbors. Then after that, maybe after Duhur, I will continue to Situbondo to join my big family.
Oke.
And
Oh.
on the way to Situbondo, I will pass by Probolinggo. In there, I have, what is besan? Besan.
Sorry?
Besan.
Desa?
Besan.
Besan? Your bestie. You can
Besan.
say bestie.
Besan itu besan.
Besan. Oh, besan in bahasa Indonesia.
In
English.
In English. Besan in
Besan.
English.
Okay.
Besan.
What is
It's
besan?
mother-in-law. Besan itu orang tua
Oh.
yang satu karena pernikahan.
Bukan, itu kan saya punya besan. Saya punya
Besan,
besan.
besan itu
Anaknya Pak Nurul itu kan sudah menikah. Nah, menantunya ini punya orang tua. Orang tua inilah yang disebut besan.
Oh, oke.
Orang-
I'm so sorry ya. Itu bahasa Jawa kah, Ibu? Besan.
Iya, besan itu bahasa Jawa. Jadi
Kalau bahasa Inggris,
Oh.
orang
what is
tua
in
dari
Indonesia?
menantu kita itu namanya besan in Japanese.
Iya.
Oke. Mungkin gini ya, karena mungkin itu tidak umum di luar sana ya. Jadi kalau menantu itu kan biasanya menantunya perempuan atau laki-laki?
Perempuan.
Perempuan. Berarti kan
Daughter.
daughters ya, daughters in law. Kalau orang tuanya berarti daughters in law parent atau parents of my daughters in law.
In-law.
Jadi emang agak
I see,
panjang
I
karena
see.
tidak ada specific term yang
I see, I
yang
see.
mampu merangkai
I see,
itu.
I see.
Iya,
Okay, so
oke.
usually when I pass by Probolinggo on the way to Situbondo, I will drop a moment in my what did you say? Parents of my daughter-in-law.
Parents of my daughter-in-law, yes.
Yes, yeah. And
Yeah.
usually we are welcomed by many foods from meatball,
Ooh.
satay, vegetables, fruit. It's like in heaven.
Hati-hati kolesterol, Pak.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the food is kinda like mouth watering ya. Jadi kayak dari beberapa makanan yang disebutkan memang we commonly found that during Idul Fitri
Yeah,
ya.
right.
Oh.
Right.
How old is your son, Bapak?
My son is now 29.
29?
Yeah, my son. My first son is 29 and I have one grandson.
Oh, oke.
Cucu ya, betul ya?
Yeah. Oh my
Cucu.
God. I feel so pressured ya. Your son is the same age with me. So
I see.
I'm 29 years
I
so
see.
this year.
Yeah.
So, oh my
Okay.
God, yeah, but I'm still
Yeah.
single and still have good family, but that's fine. Yeah, everyone has their own path life.
Yes, right.
So, listening to your story like giving me pressure. Okay.
Okay, is it all?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That's really very complete story and plan, ya. Do you do it regularly? Like,
Yes,
is it the
right.
same? Is the same event like previous year?
Yes, right. And usually in day 3 or the third day, usually we have gathering for my big family from my father and my mother in the third day. So
Oh,
it will
okay.
be a reunion, big
Big
reunion.
reunion, yeah. Big reunion among big families, yeah, because there
Right,
are a lot of
right.
families there.
Yes,
Hmm.
right. Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Pak Faisal, ya.
Okay,
Okay.
welcome.
Let me move on to Bu. Sorry, siapa tadi yang belum ya?
Mr.
Ada yang
Nurali
belum?
present. Mr.
Oh
Nurali.
ya, Mr. Nurali. Mr. Nurali, are you there? Okay, how is it, Bapak? So, are you ready to speak? Just mention a bit about your plan. A little nggak, Bapak? Kayak nggak perlu yang banyak-banyak. So, what is your plan?
On mic dulu, Pak. On mic dulu.
Hai Miss, G.
Oh ya.
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Eh, program Lebaran, G.
wabarakatuh.
I'm eight in Malang alone. Jadi di
Oh,
Malang-Malang saja.
okay.
Eh,
Mhm.
from
And then
village to from village to village.
from
Ke
village to
Panjen,
village, ya.
yes, ke Panjen, Turen, Gondalegi,
Ya,
ya,
that's
Malang
cross village, Bapak namanya. Ya, cross village. Jadi nggak perlu cross country nggak apa-apa. Cross village is more than enough, ya.
cross
Oke.
village, bukan from,
Iya.
G, cross. Oh,
Cross
cross
village.
village, cross village to village.
Mhm.
Ke
Iya.
Panjen, Turen, Gondalegi.
Oke.
Eh, ya itu aja.
Oke. Do you also give speech after Idul Fitri, like what Pak Faisal did? No? Biasanya juga bagian ceramah juga, enggak?
Ya, ya, yes, yes. Ya, Bu. Yes, yes, Miss.
Oh. Ya, bisa
Cuma
dipanggil Bu padahal sudah pakai hoodie seperti ini, Bapak ya. Agak bagaimana gitu. Oke, ya, that's fine, that's fine. Oke. Oh, I'm very glad that you are willing to speak, ya, Pak Nurali Hasan and Bu Wahyu and all of you. Jadi memang you do not really care about the grammar things, Bapak Ibu ya, because in speaking, grammar is like only additional features, cuma tambahan aja. If you can use grammar, so just use it. But if you cannot do that, that's fine. Just speak what comes to your mind. Oke, karena kalau dari awal agak takut, aduh, ketakut salah gimana ya? Nah, itu pasti akan stuck di situ aja, gitu. Kalau misal Miss, nanti saya perbaiki ya Miss, gitu. Of course, I will revise it, gitu tuh. Oke, oke. Sekarang saya share dulu ya untuk PPT di hari ini. Sebenarnya PPT yang saya kirimkan itu belum saya adjust ke levelnya Bapak Ibu gitu ya. I think that's too complicated for you. So, perhaps I will choose some of the slide that I want to share or I want to teach. Let's talk about transition first, Bapak Ibu. Transition. Do you know what is transition?
I know.
Pergantian.
Pergantian. Oke, really
Transition.
good ya. Pergantian, sorry, pergantian. Jadi contoh kata untuk pergantian, shifting dari one part to another part itu apa aja?
Finally, and then,
Finally,
and then,
and then kalau di
and
awal, what should you mention?
firstly,
After that,
firstly,
Firstly,
Firstly.
first of all, ya, the first point gitu. Jadi biasanya ada firstnya atau initially. Nah, boleh. Jadi misalkan pertama-tama, biasanya kan kalau khutbah gitu ya, Bapak. Biasanya pasti ada transisi. Karena tanpa transisi kita nggak tahu sectionnya itu ada berapa aja gitu. Jadi pertama-tama saya ucapkan terima kasih kan gitu. Nah, you can say like firstly atau the first point or initially. Boleh. Nah, kalau sudah pindah ke transisi yang di tengah-tengah, baru bisa menggunakan seperti yang disebutkan tadi. Ada after that, ada apa tadi? Then, next, furthermore, moreover, gitu. Nah, kalau di akhir, sudah sampai ke akhir presentasi, ke akhir pidato, baru kita menggunakan
To sum up, finally.
finally. Oke, ada lagi selain finally?
To sum up,
To sum up. Oke, very good. Ada lagi?
after it.
Af- Oke, kurang-kurang kalau after that itu masih di tengah-tengah. Kalau yang beneran dipakai di akhir, coba biasanya dia diawali dengan
In the end.
in the end. Oke, ada lagi in conclusion, really good. Oke. Atau diawali dengan to. Tadi kan sudah to sum
To sum
up.
up.
Ada lagi com
To conclusion.
to conclude. Kalau
To conclude.
conclusion
Oh.
itu pasangannya in, jadi in conclusion.
In conclude.
Tapi kalau to dia pasangannya to conclude
Conclude.
gitu.
To conclude.
Sebenarnya itu simpelnya sih Bapak Ibu, karena di PPT-nya lumayan banyak ya, jadi mungkin kita simplify aja. Oke, nah itu tentang transisi. Now let's talk about grammar. Ya, grammar Bapak Ibu. Di bahasa Inggris itu tensesnya kan ada banyak, ada 16 tenses. There are 16 tenses. But for this topic, you only need to know about 3 or 4 tenses. Okay, the very first one is present tense. Do you know what is present tense?
Masa yang sekarang tense yang digunakan saat ini.
Oke, ya. Jadi present tense ya, Bapak Ibu, present tense itu digunakan untuk kejadian hari ini atau berulang setiap hari. Nah,
Kebiasaan.
bisa menyebutkan contoh hal yang berulang tiap hari?
I usually wake up at blah blah blah. I
Oke,
usually
bangun
eat.
tidur, makan, minum, itu kan kita lakukan every day, Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi gunakan present tense. Gitu. Atau misal kalau di konteksnya topik ini, topik academic reports, ya biasanya yang kita menggunakan present tense adalah nama. Nah, namanya kita kan nggak berubah Bapak Ibu sejak kita lahir sampai sekarang sampai besok kan tidak berubah. Jadi menggunakan present tense. Oke? Nah, present tense, Miss kalau kita sudah tahu menggunakan present tense, lalu apa yang harus kita lakukan? Tenses itu berhubungan dengan verb atau kata kerja. Nah, jadi kalau misal saya menuliskan my name is Ikaf, kata kerjanya yang mana, Bapak Ibu?
Is.
Ikaf.
Is.
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 Kata kerja itu selalu ada setelah subjek. Subjek itu biasanya adalah pelakunya. Jadi my name. My name adalah pelakunya. Nama saya, oke, nama saya is gitu ya. Oke. Kemudian kalau misal I ate apple today. Oke, kalau kalimat yang baru saja saya kirimkan, kata kerjanya yang mana?
Eat.
Oke, very good. Bapak Ibu bisa cek di chat box ya. Coba saya pelan-pelan dulu ini. Oke. Kalau misal oke, for this one every day I give speech in mosque. Kira-kira kata
Give.
kerjanya yang mana?
In.
Give.
Give.
Give, Bapak Ibu ya, karena subjeknya adalah I.
Hai.
Gitu. Nah, jadi present tense itu kalau Bapak Ibu sudah tahu, oh oke, present tense, maka yang dilihat itu adalah kata kerjanya. Pastikan kata kerjanya dalam bentuk present. Oke, kata kerja present itu gimana Miss ngeceknya gitu. Bapak Ibu bisa cek di kamus Oxford. Pernah menggunakan kamus Oxford sebelumnya? Sudah? Belum?
Sudah.
Oke, saya tunjukkan Bapak Ibu ya, karena ini sangat penting sekali dan next time bisa Bapak Ibu gunakan gitu ya. Jadi percuma kalau misal cuma cari di internet, menurut saya kurang apa ya, kurang kurang tepat gitu. Oke, sebentar. Can you see my screen right now? Bisa melihat screen saya?
Loading Miss.
Loading.
Yet, not yet. Yes.
Oke. Ya, the very first one, you need to type Oxford Learners Dictionaries. Namanya Oxford Learners Dictionary. Dia adalah kamus dari bahasa Inggris ke bahasa Inggris. Oke? Nah, kemudian bisa diklik paling atas. Kemudian langsung aja diklik kata yang ingin dicari. Misal, saya mau mencari see, gitu ya, see, melihat.
What?
See. Kemudian, nah di sini Bapak Ibu bisa melihat bagian verb form. Ya, verb form itu adalah bentuk-bentuk kata kerja. Bisa diklik di sini di bagian tanda plus. Di sini dicari present simple. Present simple itu sama dengan present tense, maka dia see. Gitu Bapak Ibu. Jadi eh, setiap kata kerja di bahasa Inggris itu ada 5 bentuk. Oke? Jadi ada 5. Ada sorry sebentar. Jadi ada verb basic. Jadi see itu kan melihat ya. Di bahasa Inggris see itu terdiri dari 5 bentuk kata kerja, 5 varian istilahnya. Jadi dia terdiri dari see, saw,
So,
seen, seeing, and sees gitu. Nah, kalau di bahasa Indonesia kata kerjanya itu kan tidak berubah Bapak Ibu ya. Kayak misal saya makan ya. Mau saya makan sekarang, saya makan kemarin, saya akan makan besok, saya sedang makan sekarang. Itu makan aja tidak berubah. Tapi yang berubah adalah kata keterangan waktunya. Ya kan? Saya makan sekarang, saya makan kemarin. Apakah makan berubah katanya menjadi makaning atau makan gitu kan enggak gitu ya. Tapi di bahasa Inggris dia selalu berubah kata kerjanya. Bergantung ke konteks waktunya, bergantung ke seberapa sering dia berulang gitu. Jadi setiap kata kerja di bahasa Inggris ada 5 variannya. Dan Bapak Ibu kalau misal mau meningkatkan skill bahasa Inggrisnya, maka perlu tahu kapan 5 kata kerja ini digunakan gitu. Misal, saya mau mencari, coba sebutkan 5 varian kata kerja dari borrow. Coba, borrow. Ada yang bisa? Oke, the first one, coba yang basic dulu. Verb satunya adalah borrow. Verb duanya,
Borrowed.
borrowed. Oke, verb tiganya,
Verb 3 dari borrowed. Borrow. Yes.
ya, ya, yes.
Borrowed sama borrow.
Borrowed, sama ya, Bapak Ibu. Oke, bentuk verb ing-nya?
Borrowing.
Oke, bentuk tambah s di akhir?
Borrows.
Gross. Gitu ya. Jadi selalu ada 5 patternnya. Coba kalau misal sing, ada yang bisa menyebutkan 5 bentuk kata kerja dari sing?
Me.
Oke, coba sing.
Sing. Sang. Sung.
Aha.
Sing,
Aha.
sang, sung, and sings.
Oke, singing and
Sing.
sings. Ya, oke. Very good, very good. Oke, jadi selalu ada bentuk 5 kata kerja, Bapak Ibu. Coba saya coba lagi ya, satu lagi ya, Bapak Ibu. Coba dengan right. Ada yang bisa menyebutkan yang lain mungkin?
Right, that, right, that.
Oke, satu-satu dulu, satu-satu. Coba yang basicnya verb satunya adalah right.
Right,
Oke, verb duanya?
writing.
No, no. Wrote.
Verb duanya? Wrote.
Wrote.
Oke, wrote. Coba dicari di sini Bapak Ibu ya. Dicari di sini.
Verb 3-nya written.
Iya, verb tiganya written. Nah, ini nih, coba kita cek di sini.
Verb
Nah,
ini
di sini
written.
Bapak Ibu bisa cari. Nah, ini kan ada writes, writes yang ada bentuk S-nya. Bentuk past simple adalah verb 2. Wrote, verb 3-nya read,
Written.